orthopedician known throughout the world. For people, I think many of us will already know, over 30 qualifications covering medicine, surgery, engineering, and many more. And his last qualification was just around last year. So he has a lot of appetite in knowing what is the best happening in the world. Dr. Deepak Sharan is actively contributing to all the new research, training programs, and he's working with internationally renowned academic institutions apart from Recoup Health. And 4R protocol is one of his protocol, and earlier there are a lot of protocols in his name for pain phenotype, for how ergonomics for the workplace. And 4R is the latest protocol what he has launched. And all of us physicians in the team, we all got trained under him, and we are going to demonstrate an experience for you. And yes, Dr. Deepak also has interests in workplace health, children with disability issues, agriculture workers, performance artists, workers in the IT field. So his interest is varied, and we are fortunate he is with us and witnessing directly how we are able to work well to improve, your health condition and your health.
Here amongst us. Now, our approach largely is about common symptoms that people have, maybe related to digestion, fatigue, pain, gastrointestinal issues, and so on. So things which almost all of us experience on a day-to-day basis. And for many of these, in conventional medicine, we don't have good solutions. Something like fatigue, we don't know how to really treat it well and effectively so that the person can become more productive. So this approach tries to find out why people have got these problems, going into their history and even their genetic profile, even the parents' history and so on, and finding out really why they have developed these dysfunctions in the body. And then approaching it based on whatever we have found from so many assessments, and then giving a very holistic treatment approach, using whatever is available in the conventional medicine. Also, a lot of emphasis on integrating Ayurveda, Yoga, Tai Chi, psychological approaches, and various other things, so that person can get a lasting improvement, and in many cases reversal of diseases. So that is in a nutshell what our approach is, and the common symptoms that people come with, or common conditions people may come would be things like diabetes, heart problems, high blood pressure, gastritis, chronic pain, fatigue, neurological problems, headaches, children with autism, ADHD, cerebral palsy. So many such conditions can benefit from this type of root cause approach.
First of all, I want to congratulate for this wonderful venture, Recoup Health, that has been initiated by Dr. Sharan and his wife, Dr. Chetna Sharan, and all the other members of the people who have established this beautiful center. And we were just observing, and we just heard from Dr. Ravi how the approach is to treat and to help people recover and come out healthy. And I think definitely health is not just getting a disease cured, but it's also how you approach it from various angles, and to be able to function physically, mentally, emotionally, in all aspects, to be able to function well. And any diagnosis, I think so many causes of today's problems are related to emotional issues, stress issues. Stress is has a big impact on person's well-being. And I think
Please be comfortable, sir. Clinical protocols, medical systems, the facility design, the ambience creation, all this originally thought within the system. And very briefly, I want to talk about Dr. Deepak. She has over 30 qualifications covering medicine, surgery, engineering as well. He's contributing to the international community of research and training programs in varieties of countries at the international level. And 4R protocol is what is the latest what he has.
Outside it's got a very different ambience, and I think it doesn't look like any hospital or clinic or so I think good environment, I think, where people, and even the way it is being designed and the interiors, I think it's like as if you're in some resort kind of a feeling is there. So I think that is a different approach. I think you've got to for people to recover from whatever health issues they have. So I think it's a different approach, and I think I must congratulate all of you for having come on to this good concept, I think, which should really help people who are going through pain or who are going through health issues, so many different now sometimes which the allopathy medicine cannot really, because the allopathy treatment is a concept is different. So I think this more holistic approach.
And while he takes the treatment with us. So we have a lot of different kind of protocols which are very non-invasive, very less usage of medications. So in front of a couple of these rooms, actually we have those equipment like infrared therapy and things like that, which go directly to your cells, and the radiations are received by the mitochondria of the cells. And you actually end up, because this is something that we all did yesterday, and you end up feeling very rejuvenated and full of energy. Your pain levels are reduced and so on. So all
Each pattern, if there are a lot of frictions coming in, there is some sort of an activity real time happening. What is a smooth transitioning curve if it comes in, that's talking about coherence. The heart and all the nerve supplies to the heart, they are in balance. Now we know heart, there is a brain to heart connect, lot of mechanoreceptors, stimulus from the mechanical standing, gravity itself. Almost every organ system interacts with heart, and we are able to see in real time. And there are few new clinical parametrics. We see the red zone, green zone. Typically in the beginning, he is in front of so many people. There was an anxiety effect which came here, where incoherence, the heart was trying to struggle and get back to normal. But something worked good, he came to the green area and he stayed here. So these are